are you doing? How are you, my YouTube family? Aki si nimewa miss. Guys, Aki, I have missed you so much. And guys, from the deepest part of my heart, let me start by saying I'm sorry because I have been away for a while and I have my reasons why nimekuwa nikinyamaza, but guys, soon and very soon I'm gonna share that story with you, so stay tuned. But that will be on my next video. Yeah, I guess that will be the next video that I'll do. So says let me focus on the content after content because it's what I'm passionate about. And guys, I'm back again. So guys, still I've seen you showing me love, you showing me, oh my god, you guys are so sweet, you guys are so wonderful. So guys, for those ones who don't know me, nimekuwa na motion mengi. For those ones who do not know me, of course it's your girl Jackie, pretty Jackie, and it's ukiangalia kuna kagiza giza hivi, my house haina lighting mingi hivyo sana, so it's inaendelekea giza. And guess what guys, today, kwanza before even I tell you what the video is all about, able stay tuned because today I'm about to do something that I've never done in my life. Kwanza subscribe kama wewe uko hapo and you're watching. You know, nimeona watu wengi sana wana view na hawa watch. Ebu guys, please tufikisheni 50,000. It's road to 50,000 subscribers. Tufikeni 50k subscribers. That's the goal of this year. So guys, today kwanza subscribe. Ako ka button kako hapo, unaona kama imeandikwa subscribe, ukikafinya tu hivyo tan, unaona kama inaonyesha na notification inaonekana subscribe. So every time I post a video unapata hapo ka notification, and then you get to watch my video. We get to continue with this journey. Drum roll. So guys, for my returning viewers, for my returning subscribers, feel at home. Of course, you know this is the place, home, we call home, and hakuna place ingine. Tunaambiwa east west, home is the best. Nimekaa hivi nikafikiria, but they have never cooked omena in my house, so today I'm gonna cook omena. These are my omenas, ziko hapa. Yeah, I bought them, nikazichagua, so unaona. But there guys, what? Huanga mnaangalia nini kwa omena? Cause me literally I do not know. So this is my humble kitchen yenye ninatumia, but today I'm not going to cook with my gas. We are going to use our jiko. So guys, stay tuned. We are cooking ugali and these omenas. Yeah, they only say you first have to boil them. Guys, mimi niko achagua hata sijui mtu achagua nini. Those people who buy omena from the market, zinakuanga zimechaguliwa ama, because mimi nimechagua, imebidi niulize beshte yangu, mama nachagua nini? Because me literally I don't know, na nakwambia ametoa uchafu mingi, but ameniambia za super, sijui zinakuanga ready made or something, whatever. But first we are going to start by kuakisharing our jiko, and I am the one who will akisha our jiko. As you can see, jiko yangu bado haijashwa, so I'm gonna wash it niakishe. So guys, as you can see, my kitungus are ready. Guys, I love this kitungu so much. Wakati napika vitu kama beef nini, because ile ingine sipendi sana, but most of the time when I'm cooking, guys, you will be seeing me using these onion rings most of the time. And this is the kasufuria we are going to use. So, and my nyanyas are already here. I don't use a lot of tomatoes, but me guys, I'm not going to blend, so we will do the traditional way. We will cook until imeshapikwa kabisa. And we are not going forgetting our omenas. I have already boiled them, guys, if you can see. Nishazichemsha nikaziweka hapa. So, and you know, there's that scent that can kalabujanga na omena, and I know nimechemsha na gas actually. Our jiko is ready. We are gonna do the traditional way. Actually, most of my cooking size tutafanya the traditional way. Our water, I know it's almost, see, it's boiling. Some nini zinakuja, some boil. So now the water is almost boiling. Yeah, so that is our water for cooking our ugali, and our ingredients are ready. Our onions, we are gonna put our tomatoes and our sweet omenas. There is our salt here and the cooking oil. So we will get back ready once our food is ready. First of all, our water is already boiling. So no, guys, ugali yetu, it is cooking. Me, I don't love ugali ngumu, nanishindanga kupika. So napendanga ugali soft, so that even my babies can enjoy eating. So let me, as my ugali is cooking, I put some oil. You see, I have put some oil. Actually, no, I put oil more. I just add oil there. Guys, today napika the kienyeji style. So those ones who are going to judge me at the comment section, and I'm gonna put my small fariko here for spicing it a little bit. I'm not going to put more. So we wait for our ugali. We cook it well. Even here, hako ka aroma kameanza. The aroma in it. So guys, our ugali is ready. I always nafunguanga ndio you see that ka smoke first kaishe. Yes, so yeah, we have put our onions. See, our onions, they are cooking, and our jiko is still okay. Our onions are ready. So first and foremost, to avoid the sprinkling of the oil, so guys, me, I've never cooked omena. This is my first time, so I'm trying. So if you see any mistake that I have made, kindly you just let me know. I'm avoiding to put this water here. So let it first cook with oil. Yes, for it to dry even with water. Almost the brown kitunguu is already done. So we wait. So you see guys how it looks like. Banana. Cooking with oil. So we wait until it cooks vizuri. They are turning. Oh, they look yummy. So they are dry now. So all the oil, guys, we had seen, you can see it's all drying off, and that's why the omenas needs oil so they can cook well. So you can see before we put our tomatoes inside, and remember we had put our salt. So about that time we add our onions. I'm cooking it the kienyeji way, so me, I'm not adding any spice in it. Only our royco. But I'll not put a lot of it, just a small, because even the menas is not more. Oh, let me just put a lot. All of it, it's not much. it's not that much. So then we mix it, we stir, called stirring, and then we wait for it to cook so that the tomatoes can take well. So guys, here is the finished product of our food. It looks yummy, it looks eatable. Wow, I'm loving this. So guys, stay tuned, show me how you cook your omena in your house, enjoy it with your family. And guys, what do you say, my love? What do you say?
Bye.
Until next time, guys, we love you so much. Wait for the next recipe that we are gonna cook for you tomorrow. And guys, this channel, it's all about loving each other and cooking. Na tutashiba kwa hii channel. So bye bye guys, and remember to subscribe, like, comment my video.